and welcome to Edu Portal. Myself Shayon, and in this video we are going to discuss about the setting of cement, which is one of the most important topic from the subject building material and construction. And you all know that BMC is such a subject that in almost all civil engineering competitive exams like GATE, Engineering Service Exam, SSC JE exam, RRB JE, and in all state PSC they ask a number of questions from this subject. And not only in this exam but also the in the interviews, that is in technical interviews, they ask a number of questions from this subject. So a high priority is given on this subject. Now in this subject we have to remember a lot of things, and along with that understanding the subject is very important, because whenever you are attending some interview, they check whether you have just come up with remembering the data or whether you have an overall understanding of the subject. Okay, so you need to know the physical interpretation of uh, everything in the subject. Okay, now physical interpretation means, suppose a setting time of cement. Whoever have already studied the subject, you know that the initial setting time of ordinary Portland cement is 30 minutes and final setting time is 600 minutes, that is 10 hours, and the apparatus used is Vicat apparatus. These are some common data that we all know, but along with that we need to know the physical interpretation of the data. That means, what do we mean when we say that the initial setting time is 30 minutes or the final setting time is 10 hours? Okay, so overall understanding of the subject and the physical interpretation of the relevant phenomena is very important, and in this video we are going to discuss such things. Okay, so let's begin the discussion. Okay, now setting of cement. Setting of cement, it says that when a cement is mixed with water, it forms a paste which gradually loses its plasticity and forms a hard mass. That means whenever cement is mixed with water, it forms a paste which is plastic in nature. Okay, now plastic in nature means it has the property plasticity, and we all know that plasticity is a property of material by which it gets deformed repeatedly without breaking or rupture by the action of external force. So the cement paste is prepared which is plastic in nature, and then with the time it gradually loses its plasticity and then finally form a hard mass. Okay, and then in this process a stage is reached when the cement paste is sufficiently rigid to withstand definite amount of pressure. Okay, now why the definite amount of pressure? Because whenever cement is mixed with water, it forms a paste, then gradually it loses its plasticity, and in this process it reaches various stages. Okay, a number of stages are reached. Now at different stages we apply a definite amount of pressure to check whether the cement paste is prepared or not. Okay, so that is what we mean by applying definite amount of pressure. Now the time to reach this stage is generally termed as setting of cement. Okay, so different stages are reached, and the time to reach this stage is known as setting time of cement, and there are two crucial points in setting time. One is initial setting time and one is final setting time. Okay, now before discussing the initial and final setting time, we will discuss about the consistency of cement. Okay, now what is consistency? It is defined as the percentage of water required to mix with the cement to form the cement paste. Now it is expressed in percentage. That means suppose 30 30 cc of water is mixed with 100 gram of cement. Now 30 cc of water means water have a density of 1 gram per cc. That means 30 gram of water is mixed with 100 gram of dry cement. So its consistency will be 30 by 100 into 100, that is 30%. That is the percentage of water required to make the cement paste, and then it determines the amount of water required to for complete hydration of the cement. Okay, now what is hydration? We know that the ingredients of cement react with water, and these reactions are called hydration of cement. Okay, so certain amount of water is required for the completion of the hydration reactions, and water, if we apply the water less than this certain amount, then what will happen? No, there will not be it will not complete the chemical reaction. So incomplete chemical reactions will result in reduction of strength. Now if we add more water than this, then it will increase the water cement ratio, and we all know that if water cement ratio is increased, then it will result in reduction of strength of cement. So if we apply water less than the certain amount, it will lead to reduction in strength, and if we apply water more than the certain amount, it will also reduce the strength. So a particular amount of water need to be provided. So the correct proportion of water required to be known to achieve proper strength. Okay, now this is obtained, this correct proportion is known as the standard consistency of cement, which is defined as the minimum water required for the complete hydration of the cement paste. Okay, so the minimum amount of water required to complete the hydration reactions of the cement ingredient, okay, is known as the standard consistency. And as per IS code 4031 part 4 clause 5.1, standard consistency is defined as the consistency which will permit the standard Vicat plunger to penetrate to a 0.5 mm to 7 mm from the bottom of the Vicat mold. That is 5 mm from bottom means 35 mm from the top, and 7 mm from bottom means 33 mm from the top. So this test is done to check whether the cement has reached in the standard consistency phase or not. Okay, so these are the things we need to remember for consistency of cement. Okay, so consistency means the amount of water that is to be added for making the proper cement paste having adequate strength. Okay, this is consistency. Now let's come to the initial and final setting time. First, the initial setting time. It is the time elapsed from mixing the water. Water is mixed with the cement paste in the cement to the time at which the Vicat needle penetrate the test block to a depth 33 to 35 mm from the top. Okay, the same 33 mm from the top means 7 mm from the bottom, and 35 mm from the top means 5 mm from the bottom. So this is that amount of water which is that amount of time which is required from mixing the water to the cement up to this test that of Vicat needle. And then now its physical meaning. Now consistency, that is consistency imparts plasticity to the cement paste, and plasticity is a property which helps in placing the cement paste in desired position and desired shape. Okay, now initial setting time is the time at which the cement paste starts losing its plasticity. That is cement paste having the property plasticity, and if it reaches the initial setting time, then it will start losing its plasticity property. Okay, and it is the time within which the cement paste can be molded in any desired shape without losing its strength. Now suppose we have made a paste and we have placed it somewhere, and now if we want to remold it or place it somewhere else, we need to do it within the initial setting time, because if we do it within the initial setting time, it will not lose its strength. Okay, because it has the plasticity property. But if we cross the initial setting time, cement will start losing its plasticity. So it is the time available for mixing the paste and placing it in position, and if delayed further, the cement paste will lose its strength. Okay, and for ordinary Portland cement, the initial setting time is 30 minutes. Okay, so it is clear what is the initial setting time, that is mixing the water, from mixing the water up to the point when the Vicat needle will penetrate up to a depth 33 or 35 mm from the top. That means within the time within which the cement paste can be molded without losing its strength. Okay, now let's go to the final setting time. It says that it is the time elapsed from mixing the water in the cement paste to the time at which the center needle makes an impression but the circular cutting edge of the VICAT apparatus fails to do so. Okay, these are the condition of VICAT test for final setting time. That is the such a phase in which the center needle will make an impression, but the circular cutting will not make any impression. Now, final setting, it's now physical interpretation. Final setting time is the time taken by the cement for completely losing its plasticity and become a hard mass. At initial setting time, cement starts losing its plasticity, and in final setting time, cement completely loses its plasticity property and become a hard mass. This is the physical interpretation of final setting time, and this is the time taken for the cement paste to reach its complete strength, and the paste should not be disturbed until the final setting time is reached. Okay, so whatever we need to do with the cement paste, we need to do within the initial setting time. Once the initial setting time has crossed, we should not disturb the cement paste. Okay, because if we disturb further, it will lead to the reduction in strength. Okay, so it should not be disturbed until the final setting time is reached. Okay, and if it is reached up to the final setting time, it ensures that complete strength have been achieved. And for ordinary Portland cement, the final setting time is 600 minutes or 10 hours. Okay, so this is final setting time. This is the physical interpretation of final setting time. That is the time within which cement completely loses its plasticity property. Okay, so we have certain some things that we need to understand, that is the consistency, initial setting time and final setting time. These are the things that if you remember, and then you can answer almost all the questions on this topic. Okay, so let's end our discussion here. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson, and if you have any query, you can mail us in the mail ID given in the description box. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. You can subscribe to our channel for more updates.